What does peace mean to you as a
I'm
Bengali?
good helping Millie sa amin.
Paano mo siya, mo siya na maayos para sila good customer. Labo. Spicy. Good customer. And then,
What does peace mean to you as a senior citizen?
For me, peace is freedom from conflict with your family, with peers, stranger, and even the state. With peace, we can achieve prosperity, economic stability. Everyone can grow if we have peace and harmony.
Yes. Ako din si J.L. Barnes.
My question is, what does peace mean to you as a college student?
Sa college student, peace means to me is when magkaroon ka o freedom sa kanang buwan doon. Wala na may ganun mga deadlines. No, kaya nga mga pressure siya at the same time. Sa katagal sa maikit kung sa mga schedule there is a pressure in terms of time and it will cause hindi ka mag-focus sa mga level or ma-degrade ng mga effectivity sa mga pag-focus sa project in which na mag-result to gawin yung lahat. Para sa ako, out of it, wala na tayo ng drama tayo ng there's ways sa college student kaya sa laging sa buwan doon, pressure nyo but I'm really into this na mabot na siya sa day na wala na buwan.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, what is your name? My question is, what does peace mean to you?
For me, peace, I would like peace to be connected with. Peace is something that could really rest, could find something that we would love instead of peace.
Good morning, sir. What is your name, sir?
Hello, so I'm Engineer Eduardo R. Tolico III from UMCEE Faculty, which is Civil Engineering.
My question was, sir, what does peace mean to you as a professional?
Alright, so for me, peace is a state of time in which we do not have stress over things that we need to stress about. For me, peace is a thing in which that we are in a state of relaxation out of the stresses that binds us, because there are a lot of peace. We have a peace to do war, peace to go, we have everything, and peace is because we feel calm. So that is what peace feels like to me. That's all.
Unsa din naka-upside dira sa inyo iya?
Wala. Pirit lang mga kapanaw.
Sinabtanay lang yan, no? Oh. So, as a junior high student, what does peace for you?
As a junior high student, peace for me is like kanang wala kay buhatonon like assignments and lacking requirements about sa school nimo, and like pag kanang muli ka like
Oo.
safe ka and makabot ka og like safe and like wala kay ginaisip.
Mm.